Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a flip through of my second daisy journal. Now there's a bit of a story behind this, and it started out as a 3 signature journal in a different cover. Anyway, this is what I've ended up with. I've got 2 journals now. One is in the original cover and this one's got a brand new cover. This cover is made from a piece of packaging, and I have covered it with fabric, which is this fabric, lovely fabric, self-patterned fabric, and I've put some ribbon and some braid on the spine. I've done a hidden binding, hidden spine binding. There's 2 signatures in the journal, and I think from memory there's about 11 or 12 double pages. So what's that, 12 times 4 is 48, so about 95 pages in the journal. The journal itself is 6 1/4 by 9 1/4, and to decorate the front I've put a piece of lace coffee dyed paper down first, which was stitched around, then pattern paper which was stitched around, then a layer of this mesh that's got the gold in it, then a tag and a fussy cut and some little flowers down here. So that is the cover. The closure is coffee dyed seam binding, and the back is plain. Okay, so the reason I made it this size is because I have included some larger music sheet pages in here. Normally I just make them A5 size, but I've got that extra in there, so I've made it a bit bigger. On our front cover we have got 2 stepped pockets. In this pocket here I've got a file folder pocket and a bag and a little seed pocket. Seed envelope, I guess you could call it. Seed envelope. Then we have just a pocket with a journaling card. All of the journaling cards in here have been backed with either cream cardstock or coffee dyed lace pattern cardstock. I have stitched around all of the pages. The plain pages, or the plainer pages, have got stamping or stenciling on them as well. Here we have a side pocket with a journaling card in it. Here we have a little open out embellishment, so this opens out. We've got a pocket there with an envelope in it, a journaling card on that one. This flips over, we've got another pocket with another envelope there. And then this flips out as well. And we've got a little folded journaling tag and a journaling card. So quite a little involved embellishment there, and that just closes with a ribbon tie. All of the embellishments in here are included in a playlist that I will put in the description box if you want to see how they are made. Now this one is another little embellishment. It's a double pocket, so we've got a lace pocket on the front, we've got a paper pocket on the back. This one's got a seed envelope in it, and this one's just got a little tag. This opens out, and we've got a shaped pocket in here with a tag in it. Bit of decoration there. So this would probably go like that, and on the back we've got another tag. plenty of space for journaling and photos and all of those little things that we like to add to our journals. Side pocket there with a tag, bit of stamping here, avocado dyed dictionary page, the centre of our first signature. Here we just have a little slide that's paper clipped onto the other side of the avocado dyed dictionary page. Writing space. We have a paper bag here and a tag inside, so there's plenty of room inside of that for more things to be added. Here we have a pocket with an envelope and a little charm on the envelope decorated on the back. Writing space, an envelope that has got a journaling card in it. Plenty of writing space there. Good page for something, you know, like a photo or something there. Here we have a side pocket that has got an envelope in it. Avocado dyed paper with some stamping on the bottom. Here we have a paper clip. This one is magnetic. It's not actually a paper clip, but it just clips. You can put it over the top, over the side, whatever you like. And it's got a little tag in the pocket there. Bit of hidden journaling if you wanted to put something on that. Oh. I'll find a spot to put this as we're going through. Now we're in the second signature. This again is a magnetic little clip. You can put it on the side, you can put it on the top. I just put it on the top. It is tabbed, so it will stick out. Both of them are tabbed, so that's as far down as they go. In here we have a little tag, just a little bit of journaling. This is the pointy bit of an envelope, and the envelope is on the other side. So I've just put a tag through there, so I've just stuck that down there. And in here we've got a little bit of paper you can journal on. And this envelope's made from baking paper. Writing space. I do like to try and keep a fair amount of writing space in my journals. I mean, you can write on that with no problems at all, and that. Here we have a little pocket with a tag. A folded pocket here. We've got another little baking paper envelope with some journaling paper in it, and a bag. They are held in there with that little mini paper bulldog clip, just for effect. Here we have the centre of this signature. I have left the binding strings a little bit long, but you can cut them off if you don't want them that long, or you can, I thought you might want to add something to them. Bit of stamping on here. This comes off, and we have a little folio really. So it's got a pocket there with a tag in it, pocket there with a tag in it, and a pocket there with a tag in it. And there's actually another tuck spot in behind there as well. So you could tuck something in behind that. And I've just put that on there with a bulldog clip. On pages. Here we have an envelope. What is that? And a little envelope inside of an envelope. So this is the envelope that is the other end of that one that I used as a tuck spot for that tall skinny tag. There we go, that's just embellished. A little ruffle here with a little dangle on it. Here we have a pocket. This envelope opens up too, so you can put something in there if you want to. And there's a journaling card in behind that pocket there. And the back page has got a double pocket like the front. In here we have a little booklet where you can, you know, write to your heart's content, and a couple of tags. And there we go. So that is this particular journal. So both of the journals are for sale in my Ko-fi and my Etsy, so I'll put links to those in the description box in case you want to go and check it out further. There will be photos and things in there as well. So there we go. Very happy with it. I did, when it was originally made, it was such a, the spine was too small for the actual content, so I've divided it up into two. So there we go. Okay, well, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed my flip through. I really like this. I'm quite happy with it actually. I'm liking that it's poking out over the edges. I like that sort of thing. And these threads are, I've left the threads on there, but if you're not a thread person, you can always cut them off. Alright, okay, well, thanks for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed looking at my journal. I loved making it. And yeah, I hope you can join me when I post my next video. Okay, bye.